Begin by creating our basic book corner shape. So we need a square for that. So you bring up one corner into the other over here and create a straight line at the top, and then we cut it. Here's your square. We actually keep that fold to make our basic shape, and I'm going to take this corner as per usual and bring it up. So many of you know my corner bookmarks. Let's bring this corner up like so. Give it a nice and neat crease. Then you open it up again and you bring one of the two flaps down, and you bring this point right to the point down here. Okay, bring up one flap and tuck it in like so, and then bring up this flap and again tuck it in like so. So this is your basic book corner. I'm going to add a little piece like a semicircle to the top. I'm now going to fold it in half, and I'm going to cut out, this is where the smaller scissors are a bit handier, I'm going to cut out the eye socket. It's not too far, it's like the top bit of a circle, so you could use a penny there to kind of get that line in the right place. Now I want to add a little sort of triangular bit just to finish off his sort of mouth or bottom bit of his mask. If you find your black paper is really dark and you can't see the black eyes that you do with a black pen, you can actually try either cutting out some eyes, or you could do them in silver. It doesn't matter if they stand out really strongly. So, you know, just experiment. I've seen some nice crafts out there for Darth Vader where all these lines I'm doing now are actually in silver or in white. So, you know, you can just experiment and see what works with the pens you've got at home. Like so. That's my basic shape. Now I'm going to get my silver pen, and I'm going to add the mouthpiece. Darth Vader Star Wars corner bookmarks.